Welcome back to another Cape Coral Fort Myers online tour. Today I'm coming from Cape Coral. We're in the southeast. Beautiful day today, temperature like 85 degrees, really nice. And I got a home here for you. If you're looking to purchase a Gulf access home at an affordable price, this could be the one that you like, okay? The roof will be replaced in a couple weeks. So it has some minor damage from the hurricane, so that will be replaced. And this home offers a lot, in the Gulf access sense, okay? I'm gonna start going around the home like I do in most of my videos, and I will show you the back first, so you see what a beautiful backyard this house has. Okay, it's an older home. I don't have too much information because it's a listing of an agent in our office that just got, and she just told me, can you go please quick do a video? So I went ahead and came up running and did the video. But I'll be having on the description below the price with a full description on it. So feel free to go on the description and you'll have the price and everything on it, okay? So check out this backyard. If you decide to make a pool, you have plenty of space for a pool. You have a beautiful boat dock with a lift. And look how nice and spacious is the canal. And nice and peaceful is here. She got this beautiful backyard. I mean, if you're up north and you like to have a Gulf access home and you don't want to spend too much money, this could be it. The home is, when we go inside, you're gonna see it's completely in original state from the year that they built it. I'm thinking it's probably in the 70s, 79, 78, I'm not sure. You will be able to see in the description below. So I'm saying that just because of what I saw inside. So it could be in the late 70s, early 80s sort of. Check out this beautiful view back here. Oh, fish just jumped right there. As you can see there, that's where some of the shingles flew off, so they put the tarp up. There's no sign of water. I've seen any sign of water inside, but for what the agent said, they're gonna be replacing it in 2 or 3 weeks, so you'll have a brand new roof. Okay, so over here, it's your AC system. Isn't a nice street? If you like walking or riding bicycle, you have a bike lane or kind of on the side of the road. I'll show you. See, this is a bike lane path. It's very centrally located. It's close to almost everything. It's right in the middle in the southeast, close to shops, stores, restaurants and everything, so it's in a nice location. And now let's go inside. Like I told you, it's completely in original stage from from them days where it was very well taken care of. You're gonna see that the home is very well taken care of. Let's go in. Okay, we're in. Sorry, it might be a little dark, but I'm trying to adjust the camera. Okay, so we're inside. As you see, it has carpet. Then we have tile on the dining room area. Let me go around so you visualize the size of the home. It's a 2-bedroom home. It's very rare to have 2-bedroom homes here in Cape Coral. Most of them, they only used to build them like in the 70s, so in the 80s. But it's very convenient if you're planning to retire down here or have a winter home. that you just want to get away and you don't want to pay the high prices to have your boat parked in this outside, this is a nice home. For what I heard, it's going to be a very affordable price compared to what Gulf Access homes are going for here. And the reason is because, you know, you need to do a lot of updates if you want to do them, because it's livable. I mean, there's nothing, it's just completely an original state from the 70s. Check out the bathroom. See what condition it is, it's just perfect. You've been here in the shower. Check out the shower. Remember, if you would like to know the price, go in the description below. Okay, let's go first. I'll show you that end through the end. Let me go first through this hallway, show you the other bathroom. See, check out the condition. It's original. Okay, over here, it's your garage, total car garage. Then over here is you have a closet right here. And then you have your second bedroom over here. And as you can see, the second bedroom has a nice view of the water and the dock. And nice thing about the older homes, they have bigger rooms. Okay, now we're going over to the kitchen. Here we go. It's an area to sit down, have your breakfast in the morning. There's your sink. Nice thing about the sink, it's actually facing the water. I don't know if you could get it there on the video. Let me get closer. It's a beautiful view from the sink. Then you have this small window here. There's like a detail. And your cabinet space, and also your pantry. It's a nice size pantry back here. So if you're looking for a small house, 2 bedrooms, you know, it's gonna have a new roof, the AC doesn't seem that old. You know, you wanna just come here and spend your winters, don't wanna do anything to the home, you could do it. Or if you wanna go ahead and replace the carpet and do a new kitchen, upgrade the bathrooms, you're in a Gulf Access canal. That will help you, you know, that will help you if you try to resell it. The Gulf Access will always keep your price up. So let me see here. This is a little kind of like a family room out here. You can sit out here and enjoy the view of the water, boats passing by. I would love to have the price, you know, so I could give you an idea, but for what she told me was that it was going to be one of the lowest Gulf Access home prices in Cape Coral. So it's going to be, I don't know if it's going to be the lowest or it's going to be around the lowest. So the only thing about this one is that it's really nice is the location. The location, it's incredible. It's located, you know, right in the heart of the Southeast. And sure. So, well, if you want, just let me know what you guys think. Please comment on the below what you think about the home, and I'll see you on the next video.